Good morning, children. How are you, Nana? What we are discussing? Already we have completed 10 chapters here. I gave only 4 chapter notes, reminding you will get children one by one. That's why I am revising the topics again. We are discussing about singular and plural. What we are discussing about singular and plural. Singular means only one thing, Nana, whereas plural means more than one. Singular అంటే ఏంటి ఓన్లీ వన్ థింగ్ అండ్ plural means more than one thing. Plural means more than one thing. Singular అంటే ఒకటి, plural means more than one thing. Okay, and already we are discussing the rules how to frame the plurals. See, some plurals are formed. Some plurals we discussed already. Again, just I am recalling you, children. Some plurals are formed by adding. Some plurals are formed by adding yes. Avuna kada? Some plurals are formed by adding yes. Only yes add chestene konni plurals frame avutayi. Whereas some plurals are formed by the words which ends with ch, sh, x, ss, wo form plural by adding es at the end. By adding es at the end. Avuna kadama? Suppose if we see examples, children, branch. What we can write in a branch plural? Branches. Avuna kada? Next, if I write class. What is the plural for class, children? Classes. So, this is one rule, children. When the word ends with sh, ch, x or y, it takes es at the end to frame plural. Another type is there where es should be added. What is that? Next, let us discuss, children, plurals with ies. ies ఎప్పుడు యాడ్ చేస్తారు? When the singular word ends with y and if there is a vowel before y, then to write the plural for such type of words we have to replace y with ies. So what we can say, children? Words ending with y and if there is a consonant, not vowel, children, sorry, there is a consonant before y, vowel, you have to add yes to write the plural. You have to write yes to write the plural. Suppose boy. To write the boy plural children, you have to add yes. అవునా కాదా? Y before vowel ఉంటే s యాడ్ చేయాలి. అదే y before consonant ఉంటే y ని ies తో రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి. ఓకే children? So another rule. Let us discuss another rule. This is one rule. So the words ending with y. If the words ending with f or fe children, the words ending with words ending with f or fe, it replaces f or fe with ves. Okay, let us have a look children. wife, wife. So replace fe with wives. Wives, ves తో రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి. రీప్లేస్ అంటే నాన్న ఇది తీసేసి ves యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? knife, knife, knife. Replace this fe with ves. knives, knives. Next calf, calf. Replace f with calves. calves, calves. Okay na? So in this way children, this is another type to frame the plurals for the words which ends with f or fe. Some plurals forms in an irregular manner. Okay, suppose child, children. Avana? Foot, feet. Next tooth, teeth. So in this way we have learnt about the plurals. Let us discuss about the exercise children. First they have been given us singulars. We have to write the correct plural. Give the plurals. Okay. See the first word children. Branch. Next word toy. Next word city. Next word women. Next word children table. Next word food. Next word lady. Next word knife. Very easy to write the plurals. So first word, if you observe a branch children, here branch ends with ch. To write the plural children, we have to add es. Branches. Ikkada chudandi amma, the word ends with y and before y there is a vowel. So we have to add here only s. Here y before it is a consonant. Here to write the plural we have to replace y with ies. Here women plural forms in an irregular manner. women, women. Okay na? Table. Here table. tables. Tables. Next foot nana. Foot forms plural in an irregular manner. Feet. Next one lady. Here y before consonant. So ladies, ladies. Okay. Next one knife. Here fe you have to replace. What we have to write knives. So in this way children, I have given you the plural of the given word. Plural of the given word. Once have a look. Branch, branches, toy, toys, city, cities, women, women, table, tables, food, feet, lady, ladies, knife, knives. How to write singulars for the given plural. Give the singular. Here sometimes they give us the plural children. We have to give the singular. First I will write the words toys, men, next oxen, next thieves, next flies, next dolls, next matches, next babies. Okay, if you see children here, toys, here ends with yes amma. So toy, yes and this is easy, toy. Here plural with nan, irregular manner, man. Here easily you can identify ox. Here VES తీసేయాలి, thief, THIEF, thief. Next fly, 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 DOLL, doll, MATCH, match, BABY, baby. So here toys singular toy, men singular man, oxen singular ox, thieves singular thief, flies singular fly, dolls singular doll, matches match, babies baby. Okay, so in this way we have given you the singular for the given plural words. Okay children, have a look on the singulars and plural words once. All the words ends with y. Here f or fe. Here in an irregular manner. Here with yes. And here with es. So in this way children, we have discussed few exercises related to the singular and plural. Tomorrow in our next session of the grammar, we will learn few new models, new exercises related to singular and plural. Have a nice day all of you.